Are you struggling to manage and display self-referential hierarchical data effectively? Say hello to Syncfusion's Angular Tree Grid, a powerful tool that visualizes parent-child structures in a tree-like format within an intuitive table, dynamically loading child data only when needed. Whether it's an employee-manager hierarchy or a product category breakdown, the Angular Tree Grid makes managing nested relationships effortless. Editing is incredibly flexible. You can add new records, update existing ones, or delete unnecessary entries. Need quick changes? Inline editing lets you modify data directly within rows. Prefer a detailed form? Dialog editing provides a structured way to update records. Want to handle multiple changes at once? Batch editing allows you to edit multiple records and save them in one go. Command columns give instant access to actions like saving or deleting. Connecting your data is seamless. The TreeGrid supports multiple data sources, including RESTful APIs, web services, and local data, ensuring smooth integration into any application. Handling large datasets? No problem. Pagination simplifies navigation by letting users move between pages effortlessly, or customize page sizes. Prefer a smoother experience? Switch to infinite scrolling for uninterrupted data browsing. The TreeGrid can handle millions of rows efficiently with virtual scrolling. Angular Tree Grid's adaptive layout ensures your application looks great on any screen, from desktops to mobile devices. It automatically adjusts its UI for smaller screens, keeping the experience intuitive across devices. Finding the right information is simple. Built-in filtering options, including filter bars, menu filters, and Excel-like filtering, help refine data quickly. The powerful search feature makes it easy to locate specific records instantly. Sorting is effortless. Click a column header to organize data instantly, or use multi-column sorting for advanced control. Need to summarize your data? Use built-in aggregates to calculate totals, averages, counts, or custom summaries and display them in footers. Customization is at the heart of TreeGrid. Use templates for rows, columns, or headers to create unique layouts. Stacked headers help organize related columns under a single heading for better clarity. Column menus allow users to sort, filter, or toggle column visibility in one place. Need dynamic customization? The column chooser makes it easy to show or hide columns, while auto-wrap ensures long text fits neatly within cells. Want to go further? Column templates let you add buttons, images, or any custom content, and detail templates allow expanding rows dynamically to display additional data. Rearranging data is effortless with drag and drop support. Easily reorder columns, resize them for a perfect fit. Drag rows to rearrange them within the grid. Or move records between different tree grids, all with simple drag and drop actions. Interacting with data is smooth with multiple selection modes. Whether selecting a single row, multiple rows, or specific cells, the TreeGrid supports various selection types to suit different needs. Use checkboxes for simple multi-row selection, making bulk actions easy to handle. Need to keep key columns visible while scrolling? Frozen columns keep essential information in view at all times. For even more convenience, users can copy selected data to the clipboard, making it easy to transfer information between applications. Plus, you can right-click a row or cell to open a context menu with quick access to common actions. Export your grid's data to formats like Excel, CSV, or PDF for offline use or reporting. You can also print all pages in the TreeGrid component. Angular Tree Grid supports localization and globalization, adapting effortlessly to different languages and cultures. Power users will appreciate complete keyboard navigation for faster, more efficient data management. And with various built-in themes, the grid fits beautifully into any app design. Ready to elevate your applications? Try Syncfusion's Angular Tree Grid today and experience the next level of hierarchical data management.